Hi, I'm Wolfgang back, and as you can see, we are getting ready for the Oscars, the biggest party in the world, right here in Los Angeles, in Hollywood. Every star goes home with an Oscar from us. I don't want anybody to have tears in their eyes and say I lost. You know, they all are winners for us.
Welcome back to Shapeshifters. We're going to do a little bit of a change up here. We've set a new schedule where we're launching a new video every 2 weeks. That gives us room to do some other things because we have 5 or 6 other channels. Here's what's happening. We are reactivating our Chicago Culinary Effects channel, which is the food shaping business that I own. And as we upload videos about that, I'm going to always put in a short little video on the Shapeshifters site that talks about that video real quick. It's only meant to be a teaser to start directing some of our traffic that's interested in food shaping over to Chicago Culinary Effects. The reason is when we tried to mix everything on one channel, we got killed and our channel's not growing. So it's really stunted our growth, and I'm trying to correct that. Every week you'll see a little pop-up about food shaping. They're fun videos, right?
Oh yeah.
And then you'll get the Hand-ufacturing, the Pro Mold Maker Reacts, and whatever else we sprinkle in there. So